Machine language explained. In simple words. What does machine language mean? Machine language is the lowest level programming language that a computer can understand directly. It is written only in binary numbers, 0 and 1, which are understood by the CPU without any translation. In simple words, machine language equals language of the computer. It means, machine language is made of zeros and ones, directly executed by the CPU. Hardware dependent, very fast, very difficult for humans to read. So, machine language equals binary instructions for the CPU. Example idea: 01001000 01100101 01101100 01101100 01101111. This is machine style code. Only numbers. No English words. Hard for humans. Easy for computers. This is machine language thinking. Why it matters. Without machine language, Crossmark computers cannot run programs. Crossmark CPU would not understand instructions. Crossmark no operating systems. Crossmark no software execution. Crossmark no hardware control. With machine language, Checkmark CPU can run instructions. Checkmark programs execute directly. Checkmark fastest execution. Checkmark full hardware control. Checkmark foundation of all languages. Real-life examples of machine language usage. Machine language is used in CPU operations, boot process, firmware, low-level system software, microcontrollers, hardware control programs. How machine language works. Step by step. You write binary instructions. Down pointing arrow. They are loaded into memory. Down pointing arrow. CPU reads them. Down pointing arrow. CPU executes them. Flow. Write means load means read means execute. Features of machine language. Machine language uses only binary. No compiler needed. Runs directly on CPU. Very fast. Hardware specific. Hard to debug. No abstraction. It focuses on direct hardware control. Types of tasks done using machine language. Machine language is used for processor control, bootloaders, embedded systems, firmware, system-level tasks, hardware drivers, comparison with other language types. Assembly language uses mnemonics, easier than machine language, needs assembler. Machine language uses only zeros and ones. Hardest to write, no translation needed. High-level language, easy to read, needs compiler, interpreter. Hardware independent. So, machine equals binary. Assembly equals symbols. High-level equals human language. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often try to read machine code as text. Forget CPU instruction sets. Misunderstand binary. Ignore memory structure. Confuse with assembly language. These happen because machine language is not human-friendly. Good practices. When studying machine language, checkmark learn binary and hexadecimal. Checkmark understand CPU instruction set. Checkmark study assembly alongside. Checkmark use simulators. Checkmark comment logic in plain English. Real-life analogy. Machine language is like talking to a robot using only beeps. Robot. Beep beep language equals 0 and 1. Robot understands. Humans struggle. So, machine language equals robot language. Important point. Machine language is the base of all programs. Is executed directly. Is hardware specific. Is extremely fast. Is very hard for humans. Without machine language, Crossmark no computer programs. Crossmark no software execution. Crossmark no operating systems. Crossmark no digital devices. Simple definition. Machine language equals the lowest level programming language made of binary instructions that a computer executes directly. Summary. Machine language. Checkmark uses binary 0 and 1. Checkmark runs directly on CPU. Checkmark is the fastest. Checkmark controls hardware. Checkmark is the foundation of all languages. Without machine language, Crossmark computers cannot work. Crossmark programs cannot run. Crossmark no operating systems. Crossmark no software. With machine language, Checkmark CPU understands instructions. Checkmark programs run correctly. Checkmark hardware works. Checkmark computers become useful. Checkmark all other languages are built on it.